After many trial and error, here I am with the best Nutella recipe which you can make at home, which has less preservative than the store bought and has very less amount of added sugar. Before we start with the recipe, those who have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So let's start with the recipe. For this we need 1 cup of hazelnut. Spread it on a baking tray. Spread it well so that your hazelnut is not crowded and there's enough space between your hazelnuts. Place the hazelnut in the microwave oven. Here I am roasting the hazelnut for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Make sure your hazelnuts are not burnt. It should crack like this and the skin should peel off. That means your hazelnut is perfectly cooked. So our next step is to peel the hazelnut. Take a clean kitchen towel and put the hazelnut on the towel. Now fold the kitchen towel in this way and rub it between your palm or on a hard surface and keep rubbing it for at least 10 to 20 minutes till the peel goes off completely. When you open, you can see it's almost completely peeled. You will find that some hazelnuts still have the peel stuck on it that you can remove with your finger. Yes, you can just scrape it like this and the peel goes off. Now put a hazelnut in the small mixie jar and blend this for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can see your hazelnut will look like this. This is nowhere close to your Nutella. It just looks like a hazelnut meal. Blend it for some more time. Then you can see that it's becoming buttery. Scrape the sides with the fork and blend it again. Before you blend the next time, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil or best is the hazelnut oil. Next step is to take a chocolate bar. Here I am taking a dark chocolate bar. You can take any chocolate bar or you can even use milk chocolate. Make it into pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and microwave it for 1 minute. You get a smooth chocolate paste or syrup like this. You need to add 2 teaspoons of chocolate paste to this. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar. Blend it well for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can see the most yummiest, creamiest and glossy hazelnut is ready. Store it in an airtight container. You can store it on your counter for 2 to 3 weeks. It will not be spoiled. This is the yummiest and creamiest and healthy Nutella which you can offer to your kids. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.